In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Following that, select Adaptive Brightness under Brightness Level and click on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness feature. As you can see, my switcher is gray. That means that auto brightness is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same, now gray one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!